So ito pala yung laser natin na RGB, which is yung red laser is no longer working. So we try to find yung replacement ng red laser online, no? So first, ito yung first purchase ko ng laser ito, no? So bali, pinull out ko na yung yung sa red laser. So ito yung first na nahanap ko na replacement, which is hindi masyadong maliwanag yung ilaw because this is a 5 volts red laser. We intend to purchase yung sa 5 volts kasi dito sa when we try to check, chinek natin yung supply is it's working on a 5 volts system, no? So binili nating laser, replacement laser is yung 5 volts. The only difference was that mahina yung ilaw ng red na 5 volts. So as yung analysis ko lang dito is parang magda-drop yung load. So pag i-test natin yung voltage, not in an electronic technician, so based on my analysis lang to, no? So para dito yung walang supply, when we tested nagpa 5 volts siya, pero I think pag nag-on to, no? Pag nag-on to, parang plus and minus 5 volts, so parang nagda-drop yung load, no? Kasi humanap tayo ng replacement which is kapareha nitong red laser. Wala tayong mahanap na 5 volts. So yung nahanap lang natin is yung 2.4 volts. So imagine 2.4 volts, i-load natin sa 5 volts, so talaga masisira yun, di ba? So ito lang yung gawin natin. We will try to install kung gagana ba to. So ito pala yung second purchase ko, no? Which is kapareha talaga nito sa ipakita natin mamaya. Kapareha ito sa original. Unlike the first purchase, kailangan i-assemble mo pa. But this one, kompleto na to, no? Kompleto yung kapareha talaga ng socket nito. So we'll try to open natin itong laser at we will check itong red, itong blue and green, no? So makikita natin mamaya yung assembly kung kapareha ba nito. So ito, so 100 milliwatts at 2.4 volts, no? So i-check natin. So after natin ina-unscrew itong laser, so ito yung top cover niya. So makikita natin dito, ito yung compartment ng laser, no? Very compact yung design. So makikita natin dito. So tinanggal ko na rin to, no? So ito yung portion sa red. So may color coding to. Ito yung blue at saka green. So i-check natin dito. So ito yung second purchase natin, no? Which is I think kapareha nitong dalawa, itong green and blue. So ito yung sa red, ito yung red. At saka ito naman yung socket, no? So makikita natin yung socket at saka ito is very much the same. Parehang pareha, no? Only the color yung magkaiba, pero yung size is perfectly the same. So dito natin, madali lang naman itong install, no? So dito natin i-plug yung sa red. At saka ito guys, in-unscrew ko na rin to, no? Ito yung mga screws. Ito yung mga screws. Ito, tinanggalan rin natin to. So i-check lang natin. Sandali lang. Meron pala dito, may nakalak pang isa. Tanggalin na natin to. Ito, tinanggal na rin natin to. At saka tanggalin natin to. This one. Ito na yun. So ito na yun. Dati ito yung red, yung nababasted na red. Dito yan. Tingnan na yun. So kasya talaga dyan. Yan natin ipasok, no? Ito ipasok natin dito. So we'll try to check kung talagang working ba to at 2.4 volts, no? I'm not yet sure about this thing. So tingnan natin kung gagana ba to. If this replacement, our second replacement, will work for this module, no? So install muna natin. So ito na yun guys, no? So na-plug na natin sa socket. So you will not worry kung baliktad, kasi hindi naman to papasok pag baliktad, no? Ipag baliktad yan, hindi yan papasok sa socket. Ito yan. So we will try to plug this one kung this one will work. I hope so. So i-plug muna natin guys. So nagwa-warm up, no? Warm up muna. Okay? So dito naka-assign to sa sound, no? So we will change the mode. Ayan na. So makikita natin guys, working yung red at saka napakaliwanag at napaka-sharp. So this is the perfect replacement. Itong second purchase natin, no? So maliwanag na maliwanag. So yung conclusion natin, pag walang supply, pag tinas natin 5 volts yung lalabas, pero dito at 2.4 volts gumagana, no? Saka very bright yung color nyo. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh, yung kulay. At broad daylight, talagang very very maliwanag, no? So, ito na yung hinahanap natin. Ito na yung perfect replacement dito sa red. So ibalik muna natin to guys. Dito natin ilagay yung red, no? Dito sa may empty na itong red. So gumagana, no? Gumagana. So this is the perfect replacement sa red. Akala natin hindi ito mag-work kasi 2.4 volts lang. So yung analysis ko ay tama. para magda-drop yung volts, yung voltahe niya pag may load na, no, or na-plug na dito sa AC at to 20 volts. So ano muna guys, i-unplug muna natin, i-off muna natin to, i-unplug muna natin, ibalik natin ito lahat, at saka we will check dun yung sa color na talaga. Ito na yun guys, no. So na-replace na natin yung red, at saka ito lang yung masasabi ko dito, no. Unlike dito sa original, tingnan natin guys, yung original, yung fitting ng original, makikita natin this very fit, no. So dito sa gitna itong red, no, makikita natin dito is I think may 1.5 mm difference dito sa shell, no. So ito yung difference, pero hindi tayo mag-worry niyan kasi may plastic lock naman dito, no. So pag umini ito, we're making sure na it's still touching the heat sink, no. And yung pinaka rewarding is it's working, no, it's working. So ipa-plug natin, baka ito hindi na ito mag-work pag nasa posisyon na, no. So we'll try to plug this one on again. It's warming up. So i-assign muna natin tong mode, balik natin dito sa ayan. So working yung motors, at saka yung red, working lahat, so makikita natin doon, no, yung ilaw, kita natin doon. So it's working guys, it's working. So what happened, Maxoy? What happened? Alis muna. So ibalik na natin ito lahat guys, no, to its original position. So naikabit na natin lahat guys. So binalik na natin sa original position. So let's try to power this one on. So it's warming up. So we will change muna natin yung mode dito. So ito na yun guys, it's working. Yes, it's back to business. Ayan, natin yan. So the red one is working perfectly.